Bishop State Community College has hosted a summer open house this Saturday. You can enjoy free fun while also learning about what Bishop State has to offer. Brittany Finley joins us with the college to tell us more about it. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
So, very exciting time for Bishop State to host this open house. Tell the folks at home a little bit about what's going to take place.
Okay, so on Saturday, June 19th, we're having our summer open house. It's just a way for us to open our campus to the community. We've been having a lot of construction going on campus and on Broad Street. So this way we can safely open up to the community just to show them what Bishop State has to offer.
Sure. So when you mention construction, what are we talking about? Are we making some new additions to Bishop State?
We are. We have 2 new buildings going up, and we'll have those open houses in the fall. So be sure to look out for that as well.
Very cool. So we're taking a look at our screen. We're seeing some of that construction taking place at Bishop State. So let's tell the folks a little bit about Bishop State in general. If they're not familiar, what do they need to know about it?
So Bishop State is Mobile's community college. We have something for everyone. So most people know us for our technical and career programs, but we also have those students that want to transfer to four-year universities. They can come to Bishop State and get those general core classes out of the way, get those 2 years out of the way, and then transfer to four-year universities.
Great opportunity to get right on the right track right away with Bishop State. Let's talk a little bit about the opportunity here to win a free scholarship too. I heard something about that.
Yes. So on Saturday, we have 5 $500 scholarships that will go to first-time freshmen. All they have to do is show up to our event, and they have an opportunity to receive one.
That is fantastic. So, you know, a lot has changed with everything during the pandemic time. What can you tell the folks about what the fall is going to look like at Bishop State?
So for the fall semester, we are opening up. Almost all of our classes will be fully on campus and in person. We do find that a lot of students do prefer that. We also will still have some of our hybrid and online classes available as well for those who can't do the in-person classes.
So it sounds like plenty of options to explore, and perhaps the best way to explore them is to come on out to the open house this Saturday.
Yes, and so we know there are a lot of things going on in the community on Saturday, so we invite everyone. It's open to the public, free, family friendly. Come out and enjoy free fun from 10 to 2 on Saturday on our main campus.
And it is rain or shine, y'all. So definitely an opportunity to come on out. There you see the information on the screen. We're going to post this on the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com as well. Thank you for coming out today. A lot of great opportunity at Bishop State. Chelsea.